This is question number 4 of the 2021 annual paper of Part 2 FSC Federal Board. And it's question number 4, which is from Unit 2. Obviously, if you're a good student of FSC Part 2 Mathematics, you must be knowing that this question is from Unit 2 from exercise 2.5. So, one trigonometric function will be differentiated with respect to the other. So one function we name y, the other function we will name u, and derivative of y with respect to u is required. So if we name it, this y, sine square x we name y, and cos power 4x we name u. Now dy by du is required. So for this we know that we will have to use chain rule. So let us begin solving. Differentiate, if we can name it 1, this 2, and differentiate 1 with respect to x. So for that we apply d by dx on left side, d by dx of right side of 1. So look at it, students. Dy by dx on left hand side, here we apply power rule. Power 2 is the power which will be written in the beginning. Then we will subtract 1 from power, and d by dx of function without power. So function without power is sin x. This will be completely differentiated as 2. Look at it, 2 minus 1 will be 1. So power 1 is not usually displayed, is not usually written. So this is sin x with 1 power. Now this is d by dx of sin x, means derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is y is differentiated with respect to x. Now we differentiate 2 with respect to x. 2 is here, which is u. So du by dx, derivative with respect to x of u, d by dx of cos power 4x. Now students, we will apply power rule on it also. Du by dx, power rule brings power in the beginning, then we subtract 1 from power, and d by dx, derivative of function without power. Function without power is cos x. Okay, du by dx is equal to 4 cos cube x, derivative of cos is minus sin x. Now we know that du must be in the denominator in required, and required du is in denominator. To make this appear in the denominator, we invert this, or we can write dx by du is equal to, this entire value is divided by 1. When we will invert it, it will be 1 by 4 cos cube x minus sin x. So now we will apply chain rule. What the chain rule is, as we require dy by du, so we apply chain rule. We write by chain rule. What chain rule allows us to write? It allows us to write dy by du is equal to dy by dx, dx by du. Both these values we have. What are these values? Dy by dx is this. Dy by dx is this, 2 sin x cos x. And what is it? Dx by du. Dx by du is this, 1 by 4 cos cube x minus sin x. Or this minus we can write here in the beginning, 4 cos cube x sin x. Cos cube x sin x. Now this will be simplified. This 2 cancels 4 by 2. This sin x is cancelled by sin x. Cos is cancelling this 1 power. Now we can write minus 1 by 2. Or we can write cos x by 2. This is cos cube. We write cos square x, cos x. We break this 3 power in this 2 powers, 2 and 1. This cos is cancelled by this. This is dy by du. Now dy by du, derivative of one function with respect to the other. One function was y, the other was u. Derivative of y with respect to u. Derivative of one function with respect to the other is minus 1 by 2. Cos square in the denominator will be secant square in numerator. This is answer. Derivative of one function with respect to the other. Derivative of y with respect to the other. Derivative of sine square with respect to cos power 4x is minus 1 by 2 secant square x.